Hey, bud. You having issues? He's having issues. I'm just gonna keep my hand here for a second. Okay. Hi, everyone. I have a script. Because I took a video earlier and it was too long. I noticed this week that the world kind of had an accident, but at least it didn't hit the fan yet. Still has a little ways to dribble first. That is part of why I decided to make this video. Instead of, further down in my journey, we're just going to talk about bird watching. Because it has kept me sane, dude. Oh, okay, good, you're good, bud. He's not very happy right now, I woke him up. I am well aware of how mental health is kind of like a huge issue in my generation, which I like to call the Zoomies, or Zoom, but it's Zoomers. And I just wanted to share how I have been keeping sane and actually genuinely happy while the world is just burning around me. And it's really simple, okay? Hear me out. I watch birds instead of reels. That simple. I just found something that's not on a screen that I enjoy and replaced it with the doom scrolling. Well, replace the doom scrolling with it. Hear me out. I said that backwards. Bud, I am so sorry. He is not very happy right now. Here you go. You can grip that better, yeah? Is that better? I'm gonna have to keep an eye on him. I don't want him actually to fall. This is Cloud. Anyways. This week I watched my friends and family and community all get very stressed and bothered. And some of them are even getting a whole woe is me attitude, all because of what the media is feeding them. You don't have to feed into it. Come on, break free. Yeah. I like to think that there is a correlation between screen time and the rates of people choosing to no longer be here. Because there's no doubt about it. I'm going to show... Oh, I caught him. I'm going... Here you go, bud. You know what, buddy? You're going on my hand, okay? You're just not staying today, okay? So there's, definitely a correlation, though. I wanted to show some statistics because it's, really sad. And I want to share this so that you can think about breaking free of the media machine and actually being happy. Sorry for all those unhappy numbers, but please stay. Okay. So, for a little bit of background, I've had worse anxiety than many doctors knew how to handle for over a decade now. And because I watch birds instead of reels for hours on end each day, I'm in a better place mentally than I have been since I was a wee little toddler. I'm serious. All because of the birds. I might spend some time making pretend movies out of their squabbles over the seeds sometimes, and I might video those for a laugh someday, but, seriously, hear me out. Before you watch these clips, just watch them, okay? See why I suggest this. You're gonna be so happy no matter what happens, and it's gonna be nice. But first, I do want to challenge you to be better and help yourself. I want you to think about something you enjoy, or could enjoy, that has nothing to do with a screen. I want you to slowly start replacing your screen time with it. That's what I did, and I feel amazing. I am sharing these clips in the hope that at least you can get a minute from the grind to smile and unwind. Okay, and when I play all these fun clips, I want you to realize if me, a person who can't even work right now, that's not an exaggeration, that's why I make so many videos, can do this, you can too. Now, enjoy the videos.
What?
The birds will always be special to me. It's too wet to see them all, but one time when I was a kid, I used to run around towards the birds. And I'd ask my mom, and I'd get all upset, and I'd cry, and I'd be like, Mom, why do the birds run from me? And she'd say, "'Cause you're all big and scary. You're way bigger than they are, and they don't know what to think. They'd rather not take the risk, because it's life or death for them." And so it feels really special when I'm just sitting in my window feeding the birds during the winter, because I love them. And like this one right here, they just come right up to me because I have given them reason to believe that I am their friend. And that melts my heart in such a good way. Like, it makes me feel special. And you see why I like the birds so much is because when I go in the woods alone, they are there watching over me. They talk to each other and they're happy and they're out when there's nothing being hunted. Yeah, that's what the birds do. And they stop and they hide when something is hunting, because their eyes are basically everywhere. And like, oh, see, they go, because there was something over that way that made a noise that sounded like hunting. Like, when you're in the woods alone, without a gun or mace or anything, it's kind of a lifesaver, you know? So I give back by feeding them during the winter. We were gonna go outside, but there's quite a few disgruntled squatters at the door. Vela, do you want to go harass the squatters? I like how I'm just calling them squatters, but they're literally... Oh my gosh, Vela. I only have one shoe on. I can't get the other one. Togo's over it. Togo, you're stepping on my shoe. Please give me a second. Alright. I just turned on the light, and this interloper right here has not gotten the memo. Him and his buddy. I did dump a lot of birdseed, though. And that is my cue to the birds so that they know. So. Layla, you're not a bird! You're not a bird! What the heck, man? There's just so much going on. So many birds. Dowie. So he just figured it out. Oh my goodness. He's trying to get a video showing how these birds can't seem to figure out how to get in. They keep coming in through the top. But he just figured it out. Oh, they just fought. Let's see if someone else will try to figure it out. See? He figured it out. Good heavens, I just got a video of a Stiller's Jay vomiting. That's sexy. Let's watch this little dude eat. Look at this friggin' gluttonous black-eyed Jinko. He's been here for a few minutes, just filling his gullet. Not sure how I feel about you watching me while you eat your dinner. It's okay though, you're cute. I love how I'm just taking a time lapse on my husband's phone. And the birds are just like, well, it's there. Did you just take a turd next to me?
Okay.
Come here. He does not want to let go. This is Cloud. He is like, he's 15 years old now. What the heck? Anyways, I might have a story about him. He's really cool, really feisty. I hope you enjoyed the video.